So this is now another way you can look at it. You can create a time series. We're only looking at the upwelling center in the eastern Great Australian Bight, where you normally get the upwelling, the summertime upwelling events. And the top figure here shows time series. Okay, and you can see starting from 2003 until 2020. Okay, and you can see, and you can look. The green segments are the summer periods. Okay, and the vertical dashed lines, that always gives you the start of the year. You get a little bit feeling, you look at it, and surprisingly what you see is actually that you get the peaks in chlorophyll A. These are monthly data, monthly mean data. You usually get just before the winter and not during summertime. Okay? Sometimes in summer, you get a big upwelling event like 2014. These are surface chlorophyll. 2016 is a big one. 2020 is a big one. Okay, but you also have years like 2013 where there is no upwelling signature, no peak, very low values. And 2013 is not the only year. So what's the another year here is 2007, very low. 2018, very low. 2019, very low. You know, so very often, as I said, a third of a year of the entire time. Depends on how you define, the threshold. But anyway, so the other nice thing that you can do with the data, you can actually create a climatological seasonal cycle. So what this is, it's the one corresponds to January, and you show now the statistics of all January months. And this is done in so-called box and whisker plots. Okay, so if you have your animals around, you bring your cats now and your dogs and have a look at it. So what it means is all your data is sorted according to the value, and then you represent it in quarters. Okay, you show the highest 25% of your data are shown here at this whisker, which is the top whisker. Maximum value is the top line here, and the lower of the 25% is this top of the box. Then you have the upper 50% of data goes to this line here, which is called the median. And then you have, again, 25% and another 25% show you the absolute minimum. Okay, you see the entire range of the data, and 50% of the data are within the box. And you can see the median, and the average value is actually shown by this little circle. All right, and this is how you can now show the seasonal cycle using all the data. And what you see here is a background signal, which just has a peak in, this is May, June, and July. So this is where the normal peak is. And during summertime, you can have very high values. Okay, during March is the month of interest. Okay, you can have, if there's upwelling, a very strong surface signature, but you can also have almost no surface signature. This is how you can interpret these graphs, and they're very, very good. These graphs. Okay. All right. So now we come to the second story. So this is surface chlorophyll blooms. Very, very surprising. Nobody really looked at it. We thought there's upwelling every year, but it's not. Looking at the surface signature.